Moradabad, a city in India, is recognized as Pital Nagri or Brass City, where about 3.5 lakh people are engaged in manufacturing and export of brass artifacts. They also manufacture aluminium and steel artifacts. On these artifacts, electroplating is done by using chemicals which are not environmental friendly. On the brass items, lacquering is done by spray coating followed by oven baking. These artisans use imported costly coal as a fuel for brass melting. The furnace they use is energy inefficient. All these adversely affect economics and health of the artisans and their family. CSIR, in association with National Innovative Council, has taken challenges to upgrade the traditional technology through implementation of appropriate innovation for brassware cluster at Moradabad. CSIR, National Metallurgical Laboratory, is developing an efficient and less polluting indigenous coal-based furnace for the brass metal artisans. Additionally, CNG-based furnace is envisaged to contribute to economics. Brass items get tarnished when exposed to atmosphere. NML has developed efficient lacquer to prevent tarnishing and maintain luster of brass item for longer period. The developed lacquer is cheaper and efficient and has more shelf-life than the market available lacquer, which can be applied by dipping, brushing or spraying. Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karaikudi, has developed techniques for nickel plating and copper plating. These techniques are environmental friendly and can be even used for electroplating on light alloys. While urban industries can help themselves and draws more attention from society, the rural trades lack in capital investment, raw materials, diversification and marketing outlet. The artisans who have sustained the indigenous technology tradition of our country deserve a better deal from the society.